Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to convert a WhatsApp personal account to a business account. Now it's a very simple process. So firstly what you have to do is open your WhatsApp. Click on the three dots at the top right, click on settings. Scroll down, click on chats. Again scroll down, click on chat backup and click on backup to Google Drive. Click on that option, choose daily. Now choose a Google account by clicking on the Google account option and choose the account where you want to keep the backup. So now click on the backup which is green over here, click on that and wait for the backup to complete. So after all of the chats are backed up, just simply go back to the main page and now hold your application for a few seconds, click on app info. Now firstly click on force stop, click on OK, then click on clear data, clear all data, then hit OK. Now after that what you have to do is just simply open the WhatsApp business account or WhatsApp business application, choose that. But before that, make sure to download it from Play Store. So after you open the application, click on agree and continue. Now over here, enter the exact phone number that you used for the personal account as well. So enter the number, then just simply click on continue, then again continue. And now just simply wait for the code. After that, click on continue, click on allow, again allow. Then a page should appear which is looking for backup, so wait for it. Then click on restore. Now wait for the backup to completely restore. So after your backup is completely restored, click on next. Now over here, give a name of your business, then enter a category. So after that, if you want, you can also click on show more options and you will get more options. But for now, I'm going to click on next. So click on next. Now after that, just simply click on get started if you want to add catalog, and if you don't want to start catalog just now, so just simply click on not now. So in my case, I'm not going to create a catalog right now, so I'm just going to choose not now. Now as you can see right over here, your business account has been opened and all of the chats are currently being restored. So that's how you can convert your personal account to your business account. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.